You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break it down. This brand name, if you want to learn more names from fashion, design, luxury brands, make sure to stay tuned. We got them all here and link them up at the end of the video. So Italian pronunciation, this is a name from Italian. Zegna. Gna. Okay, GN in Italian is not Zegna, it's not Gna, it's Gna. Okay, so Italian pronunciation, Zegna. If you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, you can simply say it as Zegna, Zegna, or Zegna. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.